Beginner projects for resume. Beginner level. Introduction. When applying for programming jobs, many beginners worry because they do not have professional work experience. However, employers often evaluate candidates based on projects and practical skills, not just job history. Building beginner-friendly projects helps demonstrate programming ability, problem-solving skills, understanding of software development, ability to complete real applications. Including projects in your resume helps show employers what you can actually build with code. What are resume projects? Resume projects are programming applications or tools that demonstrate your technical skills. In simple words, resume projects equals coding projects that showcase your abilities to employers. These projects usually include source code, often on GitHub, project description, technologies used, key features. Projects act as proof of your programming knowledge. Why projects are important for beginners. For beginners without job experience, projects help. Checkmark demonstrate real programming skills. Checkmark show initiative and creativity. Checkmark build confidence in coding. Checkmark impress recruiters during interviews. Many companies review GitHub repositories to see how candidates write and organize code. Project 1. To-do list application. A to-do list app helps users manage tasks. Features may include add tasks, delete tasks, mark tasks as completed, save tasks to a file or database. Example simple Python version. Tasks equals. Task equals input. Enter a task. Quote. Tasks. Append. Task. Print. Tasks. Skills demonstrated. Lists and data structures. User input handling. Basic application logic. Project 2. Calculator program. A calculator program performs mathematical operations. Example features. Addition. Subtraction. Multiplication. Division. Example code. A equals int. Input. Enter first number. Quote. B equals int. Input. Enter second number. Quote. Print. Sum. Quote. A plus B. Skills demonstrated. Arithmetic operations. User input handling. Conditional logic. Project 3. Weather app. API project. A weather app retrieves weather data from an online API. Features may include enter city name, fetch weather data, display temperature and conditions. Example idea. City equals input. Enter city name. Print. Weather data for city. Skills demonstrated. Working with APIs. Data processing. User interaction. Project 4. Personal portfolio website. A portfolio website showcases your skills. Projects. Resume. Contact information. Example pages. Home page. About page. Projects section. Contact form. Technologies used. HTML. CSS. JavaScript. This project demonstrates front-end development skills. Project 5. Password generator. A password generator creates strong random passwords. Features. Generate random passwords. Customize password length. Include numbers and symbols. Example code. Import random. Characters equals absadifjajulmnifkerstuvwixies 123,456,789 inches. Password equals join. Random. Choice. Characters. For underscore in range. 8. Print. Password. Skills demonstrated. Random number generation. String manipulation. Security awareness. Project 6. Blog or notes application. A blog application allows users to create and read posts. Features may include create posts, edit posts, delete posts, display blog entries. Skills demonstrated. Data storage. CRUD operations. Backend development. Project 7. Chat application. A simple chat application allows users to exchange messages. Features: send messages, receive messages, real-time communication. Technologies may include WebSockets, backend frameworks, networking. This project demonstrates communication between applications. How to present projects on a resume. When adding projects to your resume, include project name, technologies used, short description, key features. Example: weather app, technologies, Python, API integration. Description: application that retrieves weather data from an online API and displays current temperature and conditions. Clear descriptions help employers understand your technical contributions. Real-life analogy. Resume projects are similar to sample work in creative professions. For example, designers show design portfolios, writers show published articles, photographers show photo collections. Similarly, programmers show coding projects to demonstrate their abilities. Common mistakes beginners make. Many beginners make mistakes such as crossmark copying projects directly from tutorials, crossmark not documenting their projects, crossmark uploading incomplete code, crossmark avoiding challenging features. The best approach is checkmark build original projects, checkmark improve projects gradually, checkmark write clear documentation. Where resume projects help. Programming projects are useful when applying for software developer jobs, programming internships, freelance programming work, startup positions, open source contributions. Projects often help beginners get their first programming job. Simple definition: beginner resume projects. Programming projects that demonstrate a beginner developer's skills and practical coding ability. Final summary. Projects are essential for beginners building a programming resume. Good beginner projects include checkmark to-do list application, checkmark calculator program, checkmark weather API app, checkmark personal portfolio website, checkmark password generator, checkmark blog or notes application, checkmark chat application. These projects help demonstrate real programming ability and problem-solving skills. With consistent practice and project development, beginners can build a strong portfolio that impresses employers.